Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to get data using the direct query in Microsoft Power BI. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. There are two kinds of way to get the data into Power BI. One is the import option and the other one is the direct query. The basic difference between these two is import will also import the data to the table structure, whereas with the direct query will just import the table structure, not the data. Whenever user wants to fetch the data, it goes to the data source and then get the information from that and then displays to the user in the direct query. Let's do this in practical. For that, first of all, you need to open your Power BI desktop and then in the home tab, click on the get data. There are data sources available. In this example, I'm using SQL Server. Click on that. You need to type the server name and then you need to type the database name. That is also optional. Here is the, here is the two way of connectivity, import and directly. I'm using directly here. In advanced tab, you can set the timeout timing and also you can type the SQL query here. Just hiding this, click on OK. It will load all the tables, views and functions which is available inside the database. I'm using this one, the first view, and then click on load. If you look at the right side, the table structures has been available here, and if you look at the left side, there is no data type available here. Now I want to create a table, resource ID, timestamp, and then default value. It brings up the data. Okay, whenever the data gets changed, you again need to refresh it, and then it will display the data. But the rest of the things will work as usual for the import and the direct query. The only the difference between is the data will not be available here in the direct query, whereas the import it will import the data, and then the performance will vary depending on the internet connection because data is not being stored here. Every time it has to go to the data source and then get the information and then display it to the user. So it will take some time. It will depend on the performance. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button. And if you are visiting first time to this channel, click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. If you have any queries, feedback and comments, please post it on the comment section below. Share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.